everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Home Eunice Plans, and for this video I'm going to be doing my September monthly highlights using this beautiful kit from Nikkiplusthree. It is in gold foil and I'm obsessed with these florals. This is my very first time using a Nikkiplusthree monthly kit and oh my gosh, it was so amazing to plan with. So without any further ado, I'm going to lay down the base of the spread and then get back to you guys with the day-to-day. Alright, so on the 1st, I am marking that this was the first day of September, and to mark that, I'm using this large floral fancy box from Crafts by Towie, and that Hello September script is from Rose Colored Days. On the 2nd, I wanted to mark that I wanted to mark that I did a ton of studying, and to mark that I'm using a half box from the kit. That really adorable study girl is from the Sweet Planner along with the study script. I was so happy to be able to pull that girl in. She was a little too big to mark in like a weekly spread. I was like, okay, but she'll be perfect for my monthly spreads. On the 3rd, I wanted to mark that I subbed a Pilates class for my sister on our Zoom platform. And to mark that, I am using a scalloped foiled box from Panda Bird Design. That little yoga girl icon is from Crafts by Towie. The little mini mandala is from Honey Inked, and the training script is from Planner Kate. On the 4th, I wanted to mark that I did a giant house clean, and to mark that, I'm using this little spray bottle, which is from the Glitter Mama. The clean house script is a custom that my mom made for me. On the 5th, I wanted to mark that I did a really long run, so I used a label from the kit. That little starburst is from Honey Inked, and those shoes are from Papershire. On the 6th, I wanted to mark that this was the day that our in and out planner challenge that the amazing Tay from Shantae Plans asked me to be involved with. It was so much fun, and I was so insanely excited to be asked to be a part of that. So to mark that, I used a wide bowstrung box from the Giving Girl, a piece of floral deco from the Sweet Planner. The planner is from Planning World, and that little swoosh is from Pink Polka Dot Lily. On the 7th, I wanted to mark that this was the very first day that Rachel from Gathered Plans and Tay from Shantae Plans did their very first live on Instagram called Plans Change, and they started something great. I feel like it's such a way for everyone in the community to feel more inclusive and more like together, and it involves our favorite hobby, which is planning, and some of the topics that they've talked about are like so cool, and I really appreciate them for doing this. So to mark that, I'm using a scallop circle from Miss and Meow. The floral deco is from the Sweet Planner, along with that paint swatch is also from the same Sweet Planner sheet, and the little Instagram icon is from the Pretty Pink Co. Jumping over to the 8th, I wanted to mark that I got some happy mail on this day, so to mark that, I'm using a layering circle from the kit. Those sticker sheets are from Planning World. And then I also wanted to mark that I did a big laundry day on this day, and I'm using those adorable socks, again from the Sweet Planner, layered over top of a label from the kit. And all of the scripts on that day are customs that my mom made for me. On the 9th, I wanted to mark that we had pizza night. So to mark that, I'm using an icon from Crafts by Towie, and the pizza night script is from the Happy Planner. Jumping over to the 10th, I wanted to mark that we had movie night on this night. So to mark that, I'm using another half box from the kit. That popcorn is once again from the Sweet Planner, and I'm actually going to label or layer one of these little foiled bows from the Nikkiplusthree kit over top of that. And then that movie night script is another custom that my mom made for me. And then to top it all off, to fill in some of that white space, I'm using that mini bow flourish from Rose Colored Days. On the 11th, I wanted to mark that I had a really nice long FaceTime call with my little brother who was in Scotland at this time. So to mark that, I'm using this scalloped half circle box from Pink Polka Dot Lily. Those FaceTime icons are from My Newest Addiction, and then the FaceTime script is another custom that my mom made for me. Just so you guys know, so I don't have to repeat myself, pretty much, unless otherwise specified, all the scripts I use are custom that my mom made. So if I get redundant saying it, I'm sorry. On the 12th, I wanted to mark that I had a kind of pamper yourself kind of a day. So to mark that, I'm using this adorable bath flat lay from Paper Shire, and I layered that over top of a lace divider from Bloom Paper Studio. I love the lace dividers from Bloom Paper Studio. I think they're so beautiful. The lace detailing in the stickers is so freaking good. Jumping over to the 12th, I wanted to mark that the 13th. I wanted to mark that we hung out at my mom and dad's house on this day. So to mark that, I'm using a lace circle from Bloom Paper Studio. That house is from the GP Studio. And then again, the script is a custom from my mom. Jumping over to the 14th, I wanted to mark that I had my Zoom class on this day, and I also went running with my really, really good friend. We ran for we actually went for a really long run on this day. It was really nice. So to mark that, I'm using this scalloped square box from Meg B Makes. The little training girl is from the GP Studio, and then the script is, you guessed it, from my mom. On the 15th, I wanted to mark that I slept in on this day. So to mark that, I'm using a half box from Panda Bird Design. That adorable little sleeping pillow is from Miss and Meow. And you know what? I'm done. You guys know where the scripts are from. Jumping over to the 16th, I wanted to mark that this was birthday day. And what I mean by that is so many people in my life had birthdays on this day. My older brother's birthday was on this day. One of my very best friend's birthday is on this day, and also my mother-in-law, her birthday was on the 16th. So I wanted to mark that September 16th was birthday day, and to mark that, I use a floral circle box from Crafts by Towie. Those balloons are from the GP Studio, and the little birthday gift is from the Glitter Mama. Jumping over to the 17th, this was another full day of studying. So to mark that, I'm using a label from the kit. That desk scene is from Crafts by Towie, and the study script is from my mom. On the 18th, I wanted to mark that I edited a plan with me, and so to mark that, I used a laptop girl from Panda Bird Designs and a custom script from my mom. On the 19th, I wanted to mark that I had a huge YouTube binge. So to mark that, I used another label from the kit, another Starburst from Honey Inked, and that Binge Watch Girl is from the GP Studio. On the 20th, I wanted to mark that I made some homemade tacos on this night. So to mark that, I use another box from Panda Bird Design. That taco board flat lay is from Paper Shire. On the 21st, I wanted to mark that we had a game night and a movie night with our friends. We've been trying to do this at least once every couple of weeks, just because we miss interactions with people. So to mark that, I'm using a half box from the kit. That game night icon is from the GP Studio. On the 22nd, I wanted to mark that this was the first day of fall. So to mark that, I just use the Autumn Begins script that came with the kit, and then another little foiled bow also from the kit. On the 23rd, I wanted to mark that we had a huge grocery run on this day. So to mark that, I used a small frame box from Sweet Bella XOXO, another piece of floral deco from the Sweet Planner, and then that little grocery girl is from the GP Studio. On the 24th, I wanted to mark that I did a workout at our apartment gym with my husband. So to mark that, I'm using a scallop half box from Panda Bird Design. That little dumbbell or that little barbell and that shoe are both from the Sweet Planner, along with the script that says gym time. That is from the same sheet. On the 25th, I wanted to mark that I organized stickers. So to mark that, I'm using a label from well, it's actually a third box. No, it's a quarter box. Get it together, Jen. It's a quarter box from the kit. That little organized sticker, or that sticker shelf, is from Paper Shire. And then those little star and diamond twinkles are from Letters from Lay. On the 26th, I wanted to mark that I did a hair mask on this night. So to mark that, I'm using a layering circle from the kit. The hair washing girl is from Crafts by Towie. And then I also wanted to mark that we had some barbecue sandwiches, which were so bomb on this night. So to mark that, I used another quarter box from the kit. And that little sandwich icon is from Paper Shire. On the 27th, I wanted to mark that this was Shane's grandmother's birthday. So to mark that, I used a bowstrung box from the Giving Girl, another piece of floral deco from the Sweet Planner, and those balloons are from Paper Shire. On the 28th, I wanted to mark that I did some pre-planning in my bullet journal. So to mark that, I used another quarter box. That little half lace scallop box thing is from Bloom Paper Studio, and then the Plan Next Week sticker is from the GP Studio. On the 29th, I wanted to mark that this was a very lazy day, so to mark that, I used a flag from the Sweet Planner. That chair is from Planning World. The Lazy Day script is from Pink Polka Dot Lily, along with the swoosh. Then to finish off the month, I did a full day of studying on the 30th. These are the leftovers that I have from the kit. Here's a Viv Wiggle. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!